Okay, good evening. My name is Yanis Kurniadiri Samasu, and I'm going to explain about my lesson plan. So, first of all, let me see the first question. Right. So, based on my analysis on the second and third grader ICE grade class, I think the only thing that the students need was they need to be more encouraged to be more confident to speak, and also I think the lecturer use teacher method, and that's why sometimes the class I think maybe some kind of boring for them. I'm sorry, Miss Nana. So that is why I'm making this lesson plan that is student centered, and also I won't talk too much, and that's why I hope the students could be able to speak more than I teaching them. So let's see here. I'm taking interview as the topic. Job interview was the best topic to make the students to be more talk active, based on my opinion. Right? So my objective was in the end of the class, I hope the students are be able to speak more confident, and they could not wasting much time to respond on some answer, because when I see the class, I think based on what I observe, they already good, but sometimes they didn't have any chance to even talk something. That's why it make them to be more be scared to talk or something. And also the last objective was I hope they could be able to be more fluent. Like, so I will explaining about this. So the first pre-task, I will ask them to read the introduction part, which is I already mentioned below, from this thing until the last here. So because I only want to make the students to be more talkative. I want them to have a chance to talk. So maybe I could maybe I also could correct them some of their grammar maybe, and I only take it for 5 minutes. I mean, I only make one student talk one paragraph, or only a half paragraph or something like that. And also there is that I place it was teacher talk in run in his teaching across province. So that's why I already mentioned that I hope I could make the students talk more than I am. The last task, I will ask them to watch some YouTube videos that I already mentioned the link here. Maybe if you want to check it later. So it was some YouTube videos, some kind like cartoon, which there is some interviewer and interviewee talk into some job interview session. And also the post task, I will ask them to be my interviewee, so I could measure how good they were while speaking, or while they are answering my question. This is the classroom management or supply. Yeah. This is the rubric that I will use to score them. What's my problems? If I predict it, I think what the student could ask to each other, ask those who already interviewed by me. So that's why I won't make the question list, because I only make it random from my brain. So that's why they won't do some teamwork to against me. Well, I think that's the only problems that I could predict for some interview session like this. Well, I think that's it from me. Thank you.